Good afternoon. This is 7 CPS Certified Peer Specialist, and today is Friday, 30 April 2021. And we are picking up on our special ADOS series talking about recovery. And today I am sitting here in my beautiful backyard at the Missouri-Illinois confluence. And I'm waiting for my computer to be recovered. I had to take it in to just get probably 7 years worth of viruses off of it so that I can get into my my profession, my certified peer specialist services. And so, it just kind of bring to mind to me as I'm sitting here waiting for the call, that everything is fine, I can go pick it up. It just reminds me how recovery is an ongoing process. Yesterday we talked about hanging in there, and today I want to put some words out there in the atmosphere, going strong, holding on, hanging on, and going strong. And so I'm feeling that today. It's like, wow, I am renewing in myself a motivation of recovery, a motivation to bring about this change, this new person. And while at the same time, my computer also needs a change, a tweak. It's also recovering. So I don't know, it's beautiful out here. I came out and thought I'd, get me some rays and enrich my melanin that I know will help my skeleton. So, hey, what can I say? It's beautiful out here. This is my beautiful backyard. My male pit back there is holding strong, putting his scent down, while my female is in there playing bougie. So that's the word for today. Going strong, standing strong. I don't know. I just want to come on and just give some positive energy because I'm feeling it. So I want to share it with you all. I love you, ADOS. I pray Psalm 91 over us all, to remember that though we are a trauma-driven people, we can recover. And as a CPS certified peer specialist, my role is to model that recovery so that you have hope. God bless you. Love you all.